Hello friends, my name is Anurag and I welcome you to my YouTube channel AJMSWORD. We are starting a new series on MS Word. You will get familiar with MS Word window, the File tab and other things. To make videos short and understandable, I have broken it into multiple topics. In today's video, we will cover how to open MS Word, what is MS Word, introduction to MS Word window, that is the first screen which is appearing, introduction to File tab. We will learn how to create a new document, types of new document, how to save a document, what is the difference between save and save as, how to open a document, how to close a document in MS Word. So I request you to stay tuned and watch the video till the end to make sure that you won't miss any important point. Also make sure to like, comment, subscribe my channel for upcoming series. Let's start MS Word. How to open MS Word? To open MS Word, one of the most easiest way to take your mouse pointer to this search area and write MS Word. As soon as you complete it, you'll see that it is giving an option to open MS Word. If you won't find MS Word here, you can directly go to Start button, click here and go at the last of the list. You can see Word is there. These menu is actually, these lists are arranged in a alphabetic order and Word is starting from W. So it is almost at the last of the list. So by clicking here, you can open MS Word. Now, as soon as you open this MS Word, it is taking us to this portion and asking us what to create. So I'll click on this blank document. After clicking on this blank document, it will take to the first window of MS Word. Now, the very first question, what is MS Word? MS Word is a word processing software which allows us to write letter, application or text type document. It also enables us to insert pictures, chart from other software also. Now, this is the first screen. Now, let's understand the different parts of this MS Word window. This part is known as a title bar. In this title bar, you can see document 2 is written. Document 2 is a default name given by MS Word whenever you are opening a new document. As soon as you save this file with some another name, the document 2 will be changed with the name you have given to that file. This toolbar is known as Quick Action Toolbar. This is the name of the file. This is the ID from which this MS Word is connected. These are the buttons which is used for close, restore and minimize. These are known as tabs and these are known as ribbons. You can see the lines between them. These are known as groups. This is clipart group which used to store, cut, copy, paste and other options. This is the font group from where we can change the style of font, size of font, bold, italics, underline, strike, subscript, superscript, color, etc. This paragraph group where I can put numbers, bullet, indentation, place the document or arrange the document in an alphabetic order. I can change the paragraph alignment, that is left, center, right, justified. I can give spaces between the lines and many more. These are the styles in which we can have the document content, and again we are having find, replace, select and editing toolbar. There are many tabs and each tab is having some other ribbon with some other groups that we will learn later on. In this class, we are going to learn only the basic thing of MS Word. What are the things we can do on MS Word? This is ruler, that is horizontal ruler and the vertical ruler. From here, I can rearrange the size of the page. This is the document area where you can write anything, depends on the document. The blinking part is known as a cursor. This is known as a scroll bar and it used to scroll the pages. This is the status bar which is going to tell the status of the page. It is giving the page detail, that is it is having one page and having 0 words. Let's say I am writing 2 words, computer, and then I'll be writing lab. You can see I'm having 2 words. Again I'm writing computer and pressing space. So again it is saying 3 words. It is telling us the language. It is telling which layout we are using, that is print layout. This read mode is just used to read the content. We can't edit on this. This portion is used for zoom in and zoom out. So these are the basic thing of this window. Now let's come to the File tab. After clicking on File tab, we will come to this particular screen. In this screen, the very first thing, greeting from MS Word. This is the file name. This is the ID from which MS Word is connected. This is the cross button for closing. There is the restore button and there is the minimize button. Under Home tab, we will get the first option as a blank document. Usually we are clicking on this and we have to create from zero, that is scratch from the scratch. These are templates. Templates are pre-designed document created by MS Word. There are numbers of templates. From here we can have n numbers of templates. These are the file name which is created by the user and being stored in the computer. New tab. Under new tab, again we are having blank document and the templates which we have seen it in the previous tab. Under new tab, it helps us to create new document. Open tab. It helps us to open the document which is already been created by the operator. Either it can be in the computer or it can be in the cloud memory. Info, that is information. It is giving the information related to the document. From here we can protect our document also. Save tab is used to save the file with the same name. Save as option help us to save the file with a different name, and also we can save in a different place. Print is used to print the file. Share, we can share the file with the help of email, with the help of cloud-based, or we can share it with the help of blog also. Export, with the help of this tab we can save our document, MS Word document, in some other format. Close tab, it is used to close the document. Account, it is going to tell us the account which is being connected with the MS Word, and more related to the document. So these are very basic part of MS Word which you have to understand. Without this, we can't create a document, we can't open a document, we can't save a document, we can't print a document. These are very basic part. You have to understand it. In the next section, we will learn the formatting of document. That means how to make the document more attractive and understandable. Thank you.